Today I'm going to share one of my favorite Chanel perfumes. That's an awesome gift. I love it. It's a great gift to someone at any age, honestly. Hello! We are going to open another Chanel box. So, I know what's inside this too, but I don't know which one is which one. So we will see together. The reason I bought these to see if I'm going to like the smell of them. So Chanel have so many different perfumes. For you to know, I think, my opinion, it's better get the smaller sizes or deodorants. So that way you will know if you like it or not. If you like it, get a real bigger bottle or move on to other one. This is so adorable. The packaging is very pretty, very cute. Opens like this. And these are the little testers, little gifts. Okay, this is the Coco Mademoiselle. We just opened the Chanel 5. We're gonna put it here on there. Here, somewhere. And you can click on it and watch. I'm going to open these all packages. I also have other two. You please check them out on my channel, and please don't forget to subscribe. Also, I have low carb and keto cookings and regular cookings and a couple of nice vacation videos. Please come and visit us. Alright, this is Chanel Mademoiselle. The out packaging even is so shiny. Wow, it's so pretty. So this is Coco Mademoiselle Chanel deodorant, and these are little gifts. Mascara. I'm gonna make a video for it too. And this card I'm going to explain. And repair mask. I never use a repair mask. I'll try this and I'll let you know if you guys are interested. Let me know down below. So this one is very cool. Me and Ken, my husband, we loved it. There is a barcode at the back. So you scan this on your phone and you put a message there and send it to someone you love. Anybody, your friend, your mom, your wife, your girlfriend, whoever you're buying this, your child, your daughter. So I actually bought one for my son too. I should show you guys that too. He loves it. So deodorants are easy way to figure out which perfume do you like, which smell. Also, it's way inexpensive. They are not expensive at all. It's Chanel after all. It's a great gift. Everybody will like Chanel. So send a message to someone you love and tell them point their phone to the sky at night. And it's beautiful message at the sky and stars. It's beautiful. It's Chanel. They did it, y'all. Even my husband loved it. Okay, I never tried this one. Let's see if I'm gonna like it or not. I heard this one is very popular. Inside packaging is like this. It's pretty big. It's big. Oh wow. Honestly, I wasn't expecting that. I know this one is very popular. Mademoiselle. It's very clean, and I heard it's a very long-lasting perfume, very unique quality. It's Chanel after all. Very classy. It smells really good. I like it. It's not sexy to me, or it's not seductive. It's very fresh and clean. Now I'm going to ask my husband. I like it. It's very flowery.
Let's check it out.
Come, smell.
Thank you. Oh yeah. Let me think.
Think.
It's nice. It's like, it's like tasty.
He said it's tasty.
Ooh.
I like it. I can't stop smelling it.
Right? It's sugary, like.
It's sugary, it's yummy, it's tasty.
It's like peach, strawberry, something.
It's white flowers in it. Beautiful. Again, not perfume lover husband approved.
Yeah.
Coco Mademoiselle. It's $40, y'all. It's awesome representation. It's a great Christmas gift. These videos, none of them are sponsored, so I'm telling you my honest opinion, and I like this one a lot. I recommend it. Please don't forget to subscribe. Cheers.